I saw this and I just had to think, what in the hell is this, and who the hell would make something like this? Only in Sicily would you find something like this. That is so cool. Wow. Whoa, you see that? Brother was nearly smoked. Yeah, this is where I went to last night. So if I go straight ahead here, there's gonna be a sign that says Ballaro Market. The same rubbish that I saw last night is probably still there. And well, let's go take a look. Hopefully the characters that I ran into last night, they all went to bed. Oh, you know what? Wow, take a look at that. They cleaned everything up. Well, no, they didn't. There's still the door, the mattress, and hey, somebody dropped off some balloons. But yeah, this is where I was last night, Ballaro Market. But I don't see the damn market. Let's go see. Wow, so this is a school? Yeah, this is a school. Why the hell do they have a school in this ghetto-ass neighborhood? Well, I guess people in the ghetto have to learn. I mean, hell, I lived in the ghetto. I learned street skills there. Yeah. Right here was where some dude was asking me if I had a light. And, oh, it looks like the same car that nearly hit me last night. I was walking through here. And, yeah. I was right through here when that car nearly hit me. Stray ass cats, what the hell? That's not a stray cat. That's a stray cat. That's a dead one. So this is Ballaro Market. Yeah, this is Ballaro Market. Yeah. It's nothing like what I thought it would be. But I film things the way that they are for real. And I could tell you that this place is an absolute shithole. Yeah, I've arrived in Ballaro Market. Oh, at least in the distance here, I could see the dome of this building, whatever it is. But yeah, this place is a freaking shithole. Yeah, I came from that area last night. Wow, that's a big fish. Yeah, so I came from this, where I'm pointing the camera at, that back alley. I came from there last night. I'm actually... So this is exactly where I came from last night. I recognize all the beat up vehicles. There's a back alley over here. I'll just retrace my steps briefly. So I was coming through here and some guy wearing all camouflage and a red beret. He followed me, and this whole area here was pitch black. And I came through here. Jeez, oh man, what a freaking dump. And I came through here, he was following me, and I came around here, and there's this pocket saint, not a pocket saint, I don't know what these things are called. Yeah, this here, I came up to this just to check it out, and where this rope is coming down is where he kind of stopped following me. But yeah, he was following me for that area, into this area. So yeah, one of the many colorful characters I ran into last night. Here, take a look at this. So this is some old church, Chiesa del Carmine Maggiore, and over the centuries, imagine how many people have worshipped here, been baptized here, had their funerals here, been married here and everything, and it's basically just run down. I have to watch the way that I walk because everything here is slippery. I certainly don't want to fall on my ass, because if I do, I'm going to bathe myself in Lysol. At least the market right now looks semi-decent. But honestly, I sure as hell would not eat anything here. I would not eat anything here. I would not spend any money here. Yeah, that Ballaro Market, what a shithole. I wouldn't say anything negative about some of these travel guides and travel journalists and stuff like Rick Steves, because I really like Rick Steves and some of these other people who travel. They inspire me to check out cool places. But I could tell you, Ballaro Market is an absolute shithole. Don't even waste your time out here. Don't spend any money out here. Don't buy anything from here. Look at this. You have an overhead crane. You have a tower crane lifting up a load. Nobody underneath. No guide wire. Nobody's blocked off the area for hazards. There's this cathedral thing here. So I've found it, but I don't want to walk by it because of this overhead load. This would never happen in Canada. You have overhead loads like this, the whole area is cordoned off. It's, what the hell? Yeah, literally what the hell? I understood that coming out here to Palermo and coming out here to Sicily is a world of difference from Rome. I would say that that's really an understatement. But I'm not disappointed. Not entirely. Just bit of a shock here.